everyone and assalamu alaikum. I'm currently editing this video and I thought to properly connect with all of you guys because I haven't posted a vlog in a very long time. Summer has been really hectic. I've been doing internships and shadowing PhD students and stuff. It's been see me rambling. Okay, it's been up and down, and I have just forgot to vlog. Basically, I keep forgetting to vlog, but today's video is special because I'm meeting my friend for the very first time in 10 years. She's my primary school friend and we haven't met in about 10 years, so I'm really excited to meet her. I'm really excited for this connection. So yeah, let's get back into the video.
That seagull just stole my sandwich.
Like, if you just today that sandwich. Oh my god. And you can't even see.
Wow.
And you can't even be mad because
I can't be mad. Wow, oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
That looks so nice. Yeah.
Yeah, see the Museum of London.
I like how everything's not too far.
Yeah, right. Everything is just connected to the station as long as you
In
know the
350
station
feet,
is.
take a right on Hertzmere Road.
So it's in here. This is London Museum, Docklands. Zina has personal beef with the seagull now. Like, why is he here? Adrian, Join our team and Kelly.